I could never sew a swimsuit. You might change your mind about that. So I don't normally do this, but this weekend there's going to be a lot of really fun things going on for the sewing community. Love Notions has a big release, a big course release, and a first ever feature for one of our best patterns. And so instead of keeping the mystery alive for our Feature Friday pattern this weekend, we're not going to keep it a secret because I want you to be able to prepare and get excited with me. Before we get into what the feature pattern is this week, I wanted to let you know about what I'm wearing today, which is one of the best patterns for summer. And really, like, my whole outfit, I feel like, is just so summer coded and summer ready. And I'm wearing the Melody Dolman. And I'm also wearing the Allegro bottoms, which are just like the perfect combo for the summer. I feel like really lightweight and like just breathable. I'm wearing my Allegro bottoms are in linen, and I'm wearing just like a classic shirting plaid for my Melody Dolman. And I just feel like I'm so ready for the summer. It is so hot here. It's like insanely hot. And I just want lightweight, breathable, fits me well, ready to go kind of clothes. So that's what my pattern is that I'm wearing right now. And keep in mind that the Melody Dolman has a printed version as well that you can order from us. It's flat rate shipping, and everything's ready to go, printed for you with like the perfect little tutorial book, and check that out on the website right now. So let's talk about us kind of giving away what the feature pattern is going to be this week. So when it comes to sewing swimwear, I think we have a lot of people who are a little bit hesitant to jump on to the bandwagon. It's so hot right now. All I want to do is be in my parents' pool. Like, it's sweltering. I think yesterday the feels like temperature was like 107. It's supposed to be a heat wave this week. So what could be better than slipping into made for you swimwear that looks and feels great? And I know that when we talk about sewing swim, we have a lot of like, ooh, this feels scary. I don't know if I have the right fabric. I don't know if I have the right techniques. There's like elastic, there's lining, there's all these things that pose a challenge. And I think that we have some solutions for you this week when it comes to sewing swim. Last year, we released the Clearwater Summer Essentials. And it's not only a swimsuit pattern in ladies sizing, but it's also like an athletic dress. It could be a sports bra. It could be bike shorts with a handy pocket. Like, it is a pattern that will give so many different options and variations that you could make your entire summer wardrobe from it. It could go capsule wardrobe so easily. So that pattern released, like, we were blown away by the response in the sewing community to it. People loved this pattern. And I think people really loved that you could make a swim dress out of it. You could make swim separates out of it. There's tankini, there's the briefs, there's the shorts. Like, there's so many ways to make this pattern. So people loved it. And so this weekend, we are featuring that pattern at a special price. But wait, there's more. So one of the things that people said when this pattern was first released was, why is there not a kid's version of this pattern? I wish my kid was able to wear this kind of pattern. I could sew them this pattern. And so Timmy listened, and she and the team created the girls' version of Clearwater. So there's all the same options. Things that you love about the Clearwater ladies are now inside of the Clearwater girls' version. So those are the feature patterns that are coming up this week. So we know that when it comes to sewing swim, people can be a little scared about it. And so Tammy and the team created a workshop course to get you through it. And this weekend only, we're going to be offering the pattern for girls and the pattern for ladies at a special price, but they will be available for free if you purchase the workshop course that is just releasing this weekend as well. So like there's like a lot going on here that we wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up about what's going to be coming your way so that you can take advantage with plenty of time to spare and, you know, get prepared for what's happening so you don't miss it. We're not doing a typical week-long release like we would for other pattern releases. We're just kind of concentrating this into this weekend because we wanted to combine it with the ladies version of Clearwater Feature Friday as well. So you'll be able to get the girls pattern at a very special release price, the ladies pattern at a special first ever Feature Friday price, as well as a new workshop course to take you through all of the steps for sewing swim. Sewing swim is intimidating. The whole process feels a little scary, and that's why Tammy created the workshop course. Get ready for that to be releasing this weekend. This is your early notice about that. And if you have any questions about how that you want to see if this is covered in the workshop course, if you want to get some ideas about what to expect, please ask in the comments here. The workshop course, about the girls pattern, about the ladies pattern, any of those things, ask here in the comments so that you can get your questions answered before it's go time this weekend. Okay?